guided meditation for mindfulness, connection with the present moment. Welcome to this mindfulness practice. Today, we will take some time to slow down, cultivate awareness, and reconnect with the present. This is a moment just for you, free of judgment and expectations. Find a quiet space where you can sit or lie down comfortably. Gently close your eyes or keep them softly open, fixing your gaze on a point in front of you. Allow yourself to be exactly as you are, without needing to change anything. Meditation isn't about doing it right. It's simply about being here, now. Let's begin by connecting to your breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose, hold it for a moment, and then release it slowly through your mouth. Feel the air entering and leaving your body. Let your breath find its natural rhythm. Now bring your attention to your body. Notice how it is supported by the ground or the chair. Observe any sensations of weight, warmth, or tension. There's no need to change anything, just notice. Remember, your mind may wander, and that's normal. When it does, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Let's dive into this journey together. Connecting with the breath. We begin by anchoring our attention to the breath. Feel the cool air entering your nose and the warm air leaving. Notice how your chest and abdomen move with each inhale and exhale. As you continue breathing, pay attention to the small details. The soft sound of your breath, the sensation of air touching your nostrils, and the gentle movement of expansion and contraction in your body. If your mind begins to wander, simply observe where it went and gently return to your breath. Imagine your attention as a feather softly landing on your breath. There's no rush, no effort. Just observe the present moment. Now try extending your exhalations. Inhale through your nose, counting to 4, and exhale through your mouth, counting to 6. Do this a few times, noticing how this helps your body relax even more. With each exhale, imagine releasing any accumulated tension. Feel your body becoming lighter, as if each breath is a wave of calm washing over you. Body scan. Now let's explore the body with our attention. The goal isn't to change anything, but to observe with curiosity and kindness. Start with your feet. Feel the contact of your feet with the floor or the surface they're resting on. Notice any sensations: warmth, coolness, tingling, or even the absence of sensation. Move your attention up to your legs, noticing your calves, knees, and thighs. Is there any tension or relaxation? Just observe. Bring your attention now to your hips and pelvic area. Feel the contact with the chair or the ground. How does this area feel? Shift your focus to your abdomen. Observe the movement of your breath in this area. You might notice the subtle rising and falling with each inhale and exhale. Now move your attention to your chest. Feel your heartbeat, the movement of your ribcage. Notice any sensations present here. Shift to your shoulders, arms, and hands. Notice any weight or lightness in your shoulders. Observe the sensations in your hands, maybe warmth, coolness, or the touch of your fingers resting. Finally, bring your attention to your neck, face, and head. Relax your jaw, soften your forehead, and allow your head to rest naturally. If you find tension in any part of your body, simply breathe into that area without forcing it to relax. Just allow it to be as it is. Connecting with the senses. Now that you're more connected to your body, let's explore your 5 senses. This helps anchor you even more in the present moment. Start with your hearing. What do you hear right now? Perhaps nearby sounds, like your breath, or distant ones, like the wind or passing cars. Don't label the sounds as good or bad. Just notice them. Next, bring your attention to touch. How does your clothing feel against your skin? What about the air around you? Feel the texture of the ground under your feet or the support of the chair or cushion. Now focus on your sense of smell. Is there any scent in the air? It might be subtle, like the freshness of the air, or more noticeable, like a perfume or incense. Then, turn your attention to taste. Is there any flavor present in your mouth? It might be neutral or something you noticed before starting this practice. Finally, gently open your eyes. Observe the details of your surroundings, the colors, shapes, light, and shadows. Don't analyze, just see, cultivating gratitude and intention. Now that you're fully present, let's cultivate gratitude. Think of something you're grateful for at this moment. It could be something small, like the comfort of where you are, or something bigger, like the people in your life. Feel this gratitude growing within you, like a warm light starting in your chest and spreading throughout your body. Let it fill every cell. If you'd like, set an intention for the rest of your day or week. It could be to maintain this presence, treat yourself with more kindness, or approach challenges with calmness. Take a deep breath and imagine each inhale strengthening this intention. So, when you're ready, begin bringing your attention back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes, stretch gently, and when it feels comfortable, open your eyes. Remember, you can return to this practice whenever you need a moment of calm and presence. Mindfulness is a gift you can offer yourself every day. Thank you for taking this time to care for your mind and body. May you carry this tranquility with you for the rest of your day. Be at peace.